Welcome to Smartlox, where we streamline operations and safety through the power of smart access control and digital lockout-tagout technology. Let's get started with unlocking and locking our locks. From the home screen, navigate to the unlock screen by tapping on the unlock icon at the bottom of the page. Wake the lock you are unlocking by pressing the button on its base. Now, the active lock will appear on the unlock screen. Slide right and select Unlock. Open your lock. Nyckel will register this activity. Close your lock. Again, this will be registered by the app, and there you have it. Your lock is securely closed, and the Nyckel app has registered the activity. Unlocking your lock is a breeze with these straightforward steps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. See you next time.